Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Numbers in German is Zahlen. In this video part 1, we will do numbers from 1 to 20 and in the next video we will do numbers above 20 which is part 2. For better understanding, we will do some activities based on numbers in this video. There are two types of Zahlen numbers, cardinal Zahlen and ordinal Zahlen. Cardinal Zahlen are numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and ordinal Zahlen are numbers like first, second, third and so on. In this video, we will do cardinal numbers. To be able to speak correctly and fluently, please listen carefully and repeat after me. Alright, let's begin. Null, null, eins, repeat after me. Eins, zwei, zwei, drei, once again, drei, vier, vier, fünf, fünf, sechs, sechs, sieben, sieben, acht, acht, neun, neun, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16. Please notice that 16 is an exception as S is dropped from sechs, so it becomes 16. 16, 17, 17. 17 is also an exception as en is dropped from sieben, so instead of 17 it is 17. 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Comment below and tell me, can you tell your mobile number in German? Activity 1. How many apples do you see here? Answer is 4. How many balloons do you see here? Answer is dry. How many dolls do you see here? And the answer is fünf. How many colors are there in rainbow? Answer is sieben. How many bottles do you see here? And the answer is acht. Activity 2. Rechnen. Rechnen means to calculate. For this activity, we need these terms. Plus is plus, minus is minus, mal multiply, durch divided by. 2 plus 4 ist 6, 10 minus 3 ist 7. 12 mal 1 ist 12, 20 durch 4 ist 5. At a glance, let's revise the numbers till 20 once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In the next video, we will learn numbers above 20. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and give comments. Thank you for watching. Danke.